Hello, parents and my lovely students. Let's talk about profit and loss today. Profit and loss revolves around these formulas. Selling price minus cost price is profit. When selling price is more, it's profit. Cost price minus selling price is loss. When selling price is less, it's a loss. Profit percent is profit over cost price into 100. Loss percent is loss over cost price into 100. Whether it is profit or loss, my cost percent will be always 100. So please remember this formulas and your things are sorted. Now, let us do few examples of this topic. Shopkeeper purchased tape recorder for rupees 2100 and sold for rupees 2250.50. So that means what is the selling price over here? It is 2250.50. What is cost price? It is 2100. As selling price is more than cost price, it is profit. So this is profit because selling price is more than cost price. Let's go to the next question. A bought a table fan for rupees 550. As you read, keep on writing the information, and sold it for rupees 505.25. So as I've got selling price less than cost price, it is loss. Whenever selling price is less than cost price, it is loss. And loss formula is cost price minus selling price. I cannot subtract. I'll borrow. Be very careful while doing this calculations. No silly error should happen while doing this calculation. So loss is 44.75. Merchant bought an article for rupees 1600. So cost price is rupees 1600. Spend rupees 50 on overhead charges. So overhead charges he's spending. So his expense has gone how high by 1650 because cost price is 1600. On that he has spent another 50 rupees. So total cost price is what? It is 1650. Selling price we know it is 1725. Whenever selling price is more than cost price, it is profit. So selling price 1725, cost price 1650 minus, it is profit. So profit is of rupees 75. Correct, kiddos? Next part. A person bought 50 dozen of mangoes for rupees 500. So we know that cost price is rupees 500. 2 dozen bananas, sorry, it's bananas and not mangoes. 2 dozen bananas got spoiled during the transport. So from 50, 2 dozen got spoiled. So how many are remaining? 48 dozen. He sold remaining bananas, that is this bananas, at the rate of rupees 12 per dozen. 1 dozen is rupees 12. It is given rupees 12 per dozen. So 1 dozen is rupees 12. So 48 dozen will be how much? So 48 into 12, it is 576. So this is, they have clearly said he sold remaining bananas. So this is my selling price. So as selling price is more than cost price, formula will be selling price minus cost price. Whenever selling price is more than cost price, it is profit. So answer is 76. Each and every step write and do, then you will surely get your answers properly. Next question. When find profit percent when water was purchased for rupees 400 and sold for rupees 450. I know profit percent formula is profit over cost price into 100. I have got cost price which is 400 and my selling price is 450. Whenever selling price is more than cost price, it is profit. So this is 50 rupees. So 50 over 400 into 100 is the formula. So, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. As I cannot divide further, I will write like this. 2 1s are 2. So either your answer can be 12, 1/2%, or it can be 12.5%, because 1/2 means 50%. In decimal, it will be 0.5. Next, a table bought for rupees 500, sold for rupees 450. Whenever selling price is less, it is a loss. So loss over cost per price, formula is loss over cost price into 100. So loss over cost price into 100. So what is my loss percent? It is 10%. Next, shopkeeper purchased certain article for rupees 550. So cost price is rupees 550. At what price it should be sold to make 10% profit? We have to find profit. Profit formula is selling price minus cost price is profit. Profit is 10%. Whether it is profit or loss, my cost percent will always remain 100%. Minus when goes on another side becomes plus. So this will become 110%. So my selling percent is what? It is 110%. And as it is, whenever it is profit, selling percent is more. They have clearly said purchased at rupees 550. So this is 550. What price it should be sold? So we have to find selling price. We have to find this. So cross multiplication, opposite is always divided. Opposite part is always divided. So percent cut, 110 into 550 divide by 100. 0, 0 cut, 0 cut. So what is the selling price? It is 605. Let's go to the next question. If there is profit of rupees 15 by selling an article of rupees 75, so selling price is 75, profit is there. So selling price minus cost price is profit. Profit is of rupees 15. So as it is cost price and as it is profit, profit means selling price will be more and cost price will be less. So cost price will be 60. Correct? So now profit percent is profit over cost price into 100. 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15. Answer is 25%. Next, a person sold his television for 10,900 and earned profit 9%. Profit means selling price minus cost price is profit. Profit is 9%. Whether it is profit or loss, my cost price will be always more. It will be 100%, as minus when goes on another side becomes plus. So we will add it. So this shows that my selling percent will be 109%. Find the cost price. I have to find the cost price. Cross multiplication, opposite is always divided. So what we will do, 10,900 will be multiplied by 100, divide by 109, right? So as we have to divide by 109, we will try to figure out that can we do any further working out here? Yes, we can do. 109 ones are this and this. So what is my cost price? 100 times 100, it will be 10,000. Correct, kiddos? Next. Oh, so we are done for it. We are clear about the whole thing. Just apply your formulas properly, go through this video properly, and you all are sorted. Thank you so much, parents and kiddos.